Soil isn't just dirt, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. Beneath our feet, billions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes work together to feed our plants. These tiny organisms break down organic matter, making nutrients available. When gardens struggle, we often reach for fertilizers, but the real issue is often a loss of life in the soil. Chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and frequent tilling can destroy this delicate balance. Without microbes, soil becomes compacted and lifeless, unable to support healthy growth. Imagine a city with no workers, nothing functions, even if the buildings remain. Minerals may still be present, but without microbes, plants can't access them. The soil's structure collapses, water runs off, and roots struggle to grow. Our challenge isn't just to feed plants, but to revive the soil itself. By nurturing soil life, we create a resilient, self-sustaining system. Living soil holds moisture, resists disease, and provides steady nutrients. This is the foundation of organic gardening, a partnership with nature. Reviving your soil doesn't require expensive products, just a shift in perspective. Focus on feeding the soil, not just the plants. Healthy soil is the true engine of a thriving garden. When we support the life underground, our plants flourish above. The solution is simple: protect and encourage the microbes. Avoid harsh chemicals and excessive tilling. Add organic matter regularly: compost, mulch, and natural amendments. Let nature's processes do the heavy lifting. The rewards are healthier plants and a more beautiful, resilient garden. It's time to see soil as a living partner, not just a medium. Bring your soil back to life, and your garden will follow. The journey starts beneath your feet. Just as our gut relies on good bacteria, soil depends on its own microbiome. This underground community digests organic matter, releasing nutrients for plants. Fungi form vast networks, connecting plants and improving soil structure. Healthy soil acts like a sponge, holding water and air for roots. Harsh chemicals and aggressive digging disrupt this balance, leaving plants dependent on constant intervention. By rebuilding the soil microbiome, we help gardens become self-sufficient. Focus on supporting this living network and the soil will take care of your plants. Nature's design is efficient. Let's work with it, not against it. Restore the soil's gut, and your garden will thrive. The secret to resilient plants is a vibrant living soil. Feed the microbes and they'll feed your garden. That's the real path to sustainable gardening. Before chemical fertilizers, farmers understood soil as a living entity. They used compost, manure, and cover crops to feed the land and its microbes. Fermentation was a key technique, breeding beneficial microbes to revive tired soil. This living water acted as a probiotic, strengthening plants and soil alike. Traditional methods like these are still powerful today. By learning from the past, we can restore our gardens naturally. Ancient wisdom offers simple, effective ways to nurture soil life. Let's reconnect with these time-tested practices. Fermentation harnesses microbes to transform plant material into a potent soil tonic. Lactic acid bacteria and yeasts break down leaves, releasing minerals, enzymes, and plant hormones. Unlike simple compost tea, fermentation pre-digests nutrients, making them instantly available to plants. Each drop teems with billions of beneficial microbes, an army ready to revive your soil. This living extract improves soil structure, suppresses disease, and builds long-term fertility. Chemical fertilizers offer a quick fix, but living ferments regenerate the soil. With every application, you're adding life, not just nutrients. Fermentation is nature's way of recycling and renewing. It's a regenerative approach that keeps giving back. Feed your soil with life, and it will reward you season after season. Making living water is simple, no special tools required. Gather fast-growing, nutrient-rich plants like comfrey, nettles, or dandelions. These dynamic accumulators pull minerals from deep in the soil. Harvest about 1 kilogram of fresh leaves in the morning. Add 30 milliliters of unsulfured molasses or brown sugar to feed the microbes. Use 10 liters of dechlorinated or rainwater. Combine the leaves, molasses, and water in a bucket. That's your basic recipe. Nature will handle the rest. This ancient method is accessible to every gardener. With just a few ingredients, you're ready to brew a powerful soil tonic. It's easy, affordable, and incredibly effective. Let's get started. Here's how to brew your fermented plant extract. Lightly bruise 1 kilogram of plant material and place it in a large bucket. Pour in 10 liters of dechlorinated water, ensuring all leaves are submerged. Dissolve 30 milliliters of molasses in warm water and stir it in. Cover the bucket with cloth, let it breathe but keep debris out. Set the bucket in a shady spot. Stir daily for 7 to 10 days. Watch for bubbles and a sweet fermented smell, signs of active microbes. When bubbling slows and the liquid darkens, it's ready. Strain out the solids. Add them to your compost. The liquid is your concentrated living water. Dilute before use. 1 part extract to 20 parts water. You've just brewed a living boost for your garden. Strain your finished brew and dilute it. 1 part extract to 20 parts water. Use dechlorinated water for best results. Apply as a soil drench around plant roots to introduce beneficial microbes. For a quick boost, use as a foliar spray in the early morning or evening. The microbes colonize roots and leaves, improving nutrient uptake and resilience. Apply every 2 weeks during the growing season. The leftover plant solids are perfect for your compost heap. This gentle approach revives tired soil and strengthens plants. You're not just feeding, you're inoculating your garden with life. Healthy soil leads to healthier, more productive plants. It's a simple routine with powerful results. Watch your garden transform. Living water works fast. Plants often perk up within days, leaves become greener and glossier, a sign of improved nutrient absorption. Foliar sprays can show results in as little as 48 hours. Plants stand taller, with more vigorous new growth. After a few weeks, soil feels softer and more crumbly. Increased worm activity signals a thriving underground ecosystem. The soil develops a rich, earthy smell, evidence of life returning. Over the season, plants become more resilient to pests, disease, and drought. Expect more flowers and bigger harvests. You're witnessing the power of a restored soil ecosystem. The garden begins to care for itself. This is the reward for nurturing life below the surface. Healthy soil, healthy plants, abundant harvests. Brewing and using fermented plant extracts is more than a technique. It's a mindset shift. It's about partnering with nature, not fighting it. Experiment with different plants. Each brings unique benefits. Keep notes, observe, and learn from your garden's response. This approach breaks the cycle of dependency on synthetic products. You create your own organic amendments, closing the loop in your garden. It's sustainable, cost-effective, and deeply rewarding. As the seasons turn, start a new batch and prepare for the next cycle of growth. Feed your soil, and it will feed your plants. Rediscover the ancient partnership that leads to a thriving, resilient garden.